Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Happy Friday everybody. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. It's Friday, which means I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. Now before we get started, I wanted to talk about our catalog. Now this just went live on September 4th and oh my goodness you guys, amazing things are in here. Now if you have purchased from me your catalogs, you should already have them by now. But if you don't and you would like a catalog sent to you, send me an email with your name and your mailing address and I'd love to send you a catalog. So my tip for today, you guys, I have a great tip to share with you. Now, I recently bought some new embossing powder and I could not find my ruler like anywhere. And I have about 6 of them, but I couldn't find it. So my tip for today is, what I like to do is I have in here a wood storage little case and I go and I die cut all my different shapes that I have. And I use vellum. Now you could use cardstock as well. I just chose vellum. And then what I do is I write numbers and I write 1 through, you know, however many are in there. And then what I do is I take my framelits and I number them as well. So I mark little numbers on there, if you can see. And I just use a Sharpie marker. So now what I found was, because I couldn't find my ruler that I needed, I grabbed my case, and what I like is with the new Stampin' storage, these slot perfectly in there. So I always have it right on hand, which is great. And then I was able to figure out, because what I wanted to do was I wanted to emboss using the powder that's in here and add it to my lid so that when I grab my embossing powder, I could see what it looks like. And when I craft at my table, I stand, I do not sit. So I now can come in and I can put this there and see, okay, I need to use a number 3. And then I can come back, grab my number 3 die, which is already at my die cutting machine, and I can die cut my number 3 circle that I need for my embossing top, you know, the top piece of my embossing powder. So I hope you found today's tip useful, you guys. And yeah, I just keep this in my stash. And again, I just keep it in a wood mount case. And then if I, you know, need it, I have it right all on hand. I also have done in the past one of these swatches, and I will have an iCard at the top of the screen. And then I went ahead and laminated. So I know exactly what punches I have. These are all my punches. And yeah, I just use basic black cardstock. And again, I will have an iCard at the top of the screen showing you how to create this little swatch. So yeah, I hope you found today's tip useful, and I hope you'll add it to your, you know, craft supplies and do the same thing. And I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. I will not be back on Monday. I am headed off to go and have fingerprints taken, as I am becoming a citizen of the United States. So I'm super excited. I have a very busy day on Monday and I will not be able to do a video, unfortunately. Thank you so much to for all the support that I've received from everybody and the love. Much appreciated. And yeah, I will see you back here on Tuesday. Take care.